Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra green color mobile phone, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing. So you can see over here the packaging is made of recycled material, okay, and this phone is 512 GB and 12 GB RAM. So I will open the seal from here, okay, so you can see. So I will open the seal, and from the bottom as well I will open this seal as well, okay, so you can see. Now I will open from the other side as well this seal, okay, so I think I can open it, and on the bottom as well, okay, so I will open it. Okay, so you can see over here the outside is like this cardboard cover, okay, so I will remove it. Okay, so you can see I will remove it, and here is our green color phone looking really amazing. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so this is our phone, okay, with quad camera system. Okay, and here you can see from the side aluminum, and that's the front. Okay, so I will remove this cover from the front. Okay, so really amazing looks. Okay, so guys, you can see over here. So at the bottom we have this protective film, so I will remove it, and then you can see the actual aluminium. Okay, so you can see the actual aluminium color, it's shiny. Okay, and on the sides as well we have this protective film, so I will remove it. Okay, and then from this side as well. Okay, and then from the top as well. Okay, so now at the bottom we have this sim tray. Okay, and then we have two mics. Okay, then we have here the USB port. We also have the speaker, and here we have the amazing S Pen. Okay, so if you want to take it out, just push it inside like that. You will see the click, and then it will easily come out like that. Okay, so I will remove it. Okay, I will take it out. So here you can see this is the S Pen. Okay, and the back of the S Pen is like a green color. Okay, and the rest of the pen is in the black color. Okay, so you can see we also have a S Pen button over here, so I will make a separate video about it. Okay, so I will put it back. Okay, it's very easy, you can easily put it back like that. Okay, and then here we have this quad camera system. So the first camera on the top, it is 12 megapixel ultra wide. The second one is 200 megapixel wide. The third is 10 megapixel 10x zoom, and this one is 10 megapixel 3x zoom, and this one is laser autofocus technology over here. Okay, so this is how the phone looks. Okay, and on the top we have this mic. Okay, on this side, okay, on the right side we have this power button and volume button, and on the left side there is nothing over here, so you can see. So this is how it looks like. So guys, according to Samsung, the green color that is used, it is from natural dye. Okay, the aluminium on the side is also recycled aluminium. Okay, the glass is recycled glass. Okay, so you can see over here they make this phone completely environmentally friendly phone according to Samsung. So now I will turn it on. Okay, so the next thing that I want to mention here is you will see a bit flat display, so it will be very easy to put the screen protector on this phone. The battery is 5000 milliampere. Okay, so this is just the first look of the phone. So it is a 6.8-inch super AMOLED display. So guys, the grip of this phone is really good. Okay, so I can easily grip in my hand. Okay, so you can see over here the top, as you can see, it is completely flat. Also the bottom. So if I try to stand this phone like this, yeah, so you can see it can stand easily. Okay, the next thing that I want to mention here is the glass that is used is called Gorilla Glass Victus 2. okay, and you can see the aluminum frame, okay, around the cameras as well. Okay, so you can see over here, this is how the cameras at the back looks like. Okay, so S23 Ultra comes in 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 terabyte. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just see this box. Okay, so at the back side, if you see, we have accessories for the phone. So let's see what's inside it. Okay, so I will open it. So we have this user manual, okay, from the Samsung, so you can see, and then we have this USB-C cable. So here we have this cable, okay, so you can see, okay, and then we have this pin, the SIM tool. Okay, so that's all we got in the box. So guys, I will make more video about this Galaxy S23 Ultra phone. Okay, so please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.